Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In today's video we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is on 21st of September friends. Okay, talking about our yesterday's stock, I gave you bharatiartl for a buy. I showed you this breakout followed by a retest. Okay, and I also showed you this area from where it can go upwards friends, and you can see it outperformed. All the reasons are clearly given in yesterday's video. If you have not seen that video, do see that video. I'll post it in the end screen as well for your reference friends. Talking about our sell stock, we had given you BPCL for a sell. I told you that with this Fibonacci, this would be the perfect level for entry. And look at it friends, exactly at this levels is what if we short. Nice downward momentum followed by a little retracement and down again. So both our buy and sell stock have met their respective targets or made profits friends. So let's continue with the today's video. If you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss on any updates that I am giving on the channel friends. Coming to Nifty friends, Nifty started somewhere here. It is a clear gap up followed by nice upward momentum, and this was our megaphone pattern and it could not cross that pattern friends. From there this pattern acted like a clear resistance, and from there it turned downwards and closed almost where it opened friends, little above that probably. If you look at it on a daily time frame, it created a candle called inverted hammer. Okay, what is inverted hammer? If it is formed on the end of any particular trend, somewhere here if it would have formed, that would have been trend changer, but it did not form at the end of the trend, so it is not a trend changer friends. Expecting a gap down is not so easy. Looking at the global cues, let me pull it up for you. Okay, looking at the global cues, SGX is some 50 points down, not much, and Nasdaq is some 60-70 points down, not much. We can expect a sideways to a flat entry friends. Coming back, so now what is next friends? Coming to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty formed a very good pattern which is called a, not exactly but kind of a head and shoulder pattern, upward momentum, then a clear breakdown and closed above today's hope. And if I am looking at it from a daily time frame, this is a indecision kind of a candle friends. Okay, let me clear all this so that you can see. This is an indecision candle. This has formed at the top of the trend friends. Okay, this is all-time high. That's where this indecision candle has formed. Expectation for tomorrow for Nifty, we are clear sideways friends. Okay, reason, there is a downward, this side there is clear support. This gap will act like a support, and this side upwards, this particular pattern is going to act like a resistance. So tomorrow Nifty is going to trade within this particular range is what we believe. When will we create buy positions? We'll create buy positions at the bottoms. Okay, at these bottoms. When will we create sell positions? At the top. So we are expecting it to be sideways. There would not be any aggressive buying or aggressive selling until this range is broken. Why this range is formed? Because of this area, this gap acting like a support, and this particular megaphone pattern that is acting like a resistance at the top. Hope I made it clear. Coming to Bank Nifty, if I move it to 5 minutes, we are slightly positive on Bank Nifty. Reason, this top can easily be tested friends. At this particular levels when Bank Nifty was trading, okay, everyone felt that there is absolute no resistance after this area. That's the reason it did not go up. The FIS and DIS sold it in such a way that whatever profit was made through the day was all lost. It made a kind of inverted V pattern, friends. Coming to the view for tomorrow, I told you we are sideways to bullish when it comes to Bank Nifty. Reason, there is no resistance on the top, friends. This resistance is there on the top, but once this resistance is crossed, we can easily go and make the top, friends. When will we create a buy position? Good question. Look at this trend line, easily broken, no doubt on that. So tomorrow, wherever is the opening, we can create buy positions and keep a small stop loss, friend, somewhere here, which is close to how much? 470 to 380 is 100 points, which is little high, but then 70-80 points can be your stop loss for a buy position tomorrow, friends. As soon as this trend line is broken, target of this level, okay, which is 41,577 is easily achievable. And once that target is achieved, the next target will be 41,660, followed by today's high, which is 41,707, and then not too immediately, but we can easily achieve the target of 41,838, friends, which is the top that was made. I hope you understood the logic behind why I am giving Nifty for a Bank Nifty for a buy, friends. Coming to our stock for tomorrow, which is a buy stock. Again, I am giving Airtel for a buy. Simple reason, from bottom to top, if I am drawing a Fibo, our 23.6 levels have been tested exactly. Okay, from that's where it has turned upwards. Second reason, see, it made a gap up, and did it sustain the gap? This gap was never filled, and it is maintaining above that levels only. If you are drawing a Fibo from the gap starting level to the top, we have not reached this 61.8 levels. Once it crosses this 61.8 levels and creates a candle there, we will no longer be bullish on it, friends. However, it has not done that. It is above it, and so we are going to be bullish on it. Trade can be taken immediately here, or we can wait for this trend line breakout, friends. Okay, let me draw that trend line so that it becomes easy for you. This trend line breakout can be our initialization of the trade. And coming to targets, we are already at almost the all-time high. How do we select targets here? For that, we are going to use something called Fibonacci trend extension, friend. So from the bottom, let me delete all this. From the bottom, which is here, to the top, which is here, okay, I am going to draw a trend extension till the recent low that was made after the top, which is still here. Okay, now we get a clear Fibonacci. First target is 50%, friends, which is 797. Okay, now am I saying that it is going to go touch 797 or 800 in one day? The answer is no. That's not what I am saying. I am saying this is a eventual target for next week or probably 2 weeks, towards the end of this particular month. And the second target is this, friends, which is 809.6, friends. Okay, that's the final target that we have for bharatiartl as of now. I hope you understood the logic for buy on bharatiartl. Coming to our sell stock, which is TCS, friends. What has TCS done? TCS also casted a gap up. Very good. Went till there. Okay. There is a gap which is here, and we just tested this level, friends. That is the opening, previous day's opening. Okay. Or we can also call it that day's high. Okay. One of the two, anything. Calling it opening would be more appropriate. This acted like a clear resistance and it started falling down. Did it fall till only our opening like Nifty, no, it crossed and went into the gap. Okay, I hope you are able to see that it closed this complete gap and casted a closing at this particular support zone. So it is already weak. It was not able to sustain this particular levels. And moreover, IT stocks are not performing very well since few days, and the major reason for that is Indian IT stocks make profit in dollars, friends. And what has happened is currently rupee is at a all-time low. So whatever profits they are making are not really reflecting in their books. That is the reason they are underperforming. The stocks are underperforming. I'm not saying that the companies are underperforming. Not just TCS, it's HCL Tech which is underperforming, M&M is underperforming. You can see TCS is what we are talking about. You can see Infi that is underperforming. Basically, the IT sector itself is underperforming. Now, why? That was the first reason for the sell, that it could not sustain the gap up. Reason number two, if I'm drawing this trend line is already broken. Okay, so any retest of this trend line can be a clear trigger to sell, friends. Reason number three, our best friend Fibo. This is the recent top and the recent bottom. Was it able to sustain the 50%? The answer is no. Did it touch the 61.8 levels? The answer is no. So from here it is coming down. It gave a clear cut trend line breakout. It also gave this trend line breakout, friends. Okay, I hope you understood this. It did not even retest this levels. From there it straight fell down. Okay, so that's the reason it's given as a sell stock, and we can expect this particular targets, friends. Okay, first target will be somewhere here and second target will be somewhere here, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish you a very profitable tomorrow, and if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money and who wants to learn to trade, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day ahead.